Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I have a random act of kindness, and this comes to me from a fellow YouTube subscriber, and she is someone who has been a viewer on my channel for a while and has commented, and we've established a friendship and really enjoy sending each other's cards from time to time, but she's actually sent me a little parcel. So I'm going to open that with you on camera, and I have to say it comes at a very fortuitous time. I just got a notification on Facebook today that I posted my very first YouTube video 14 years ago to the day. I was kind of shocked by this information because I can't believe I've been making videos for 14 years. That is surprising. I enjoy making content. I don't really have any specific goal with my channel or any specific rhyme or reason. I just sort of film whatever it is that is applicable to what I'm doing at the time that I'm doing it. And a lot of it, I would say, revolves around paper crafting. But you know, if I get a subscription box, or I do a Happy Mail swap, or I do gray hair transition, I'm like, well, might as well document this, that, and the other thing. So it's really quite varied here on my channel. Wow, it's all wrapped nicely, and it's got polka dots. I don't know what this is. I have had this on my desk for a couple of days now. I can't really film on the weekends because the house is busy and there's lots of activities, and I typically will film when the kids go to school and the house is quiet and the husband's at work. But I have been really curious to open this. I've already made her a reply Happy Mail, and I am going to send that out to her hopefully today or tomorrow and get that off in the mail. So I'm not sure what she sent me, but I will film my reply and post that once she's received it. This is really well wrapped. Oh, this is a Stampin' Up box. I've got some of these in the past. I think they're like paper pumpkins and stuff. Let's open it together. Oh. Oh. Wow. So she has made me this card, and I will, wow, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I love the little sparkles here, the colors she used. Little enamel dots are my favorite. That's stunning. So she said that she got a lot of Stampin' Up products for free when she placed a big order, and a lot of her crafty friends already had the same deal, and so she thought, knowing me and my likes from watching my channel, that she would pass these on to me. And that is such a generous thing to do. So there are Stampin' Right markers. I have a lot of their markers. I don't know if I have these colors. These are the new 2023 collection. So I bought the giant box of the markers a long time ago, like many years ago, maybe a decade ago even, and they do last a long time, especially at the rate that I had previously used them. Although I am using things like this more, I am ecstatic to have more markers. These are the dual tip ones. The core color collections will be something that I don't have in my current markers, and it's got some of my favorite colors. You'll see the different tips are like this. So I'm really happy to be able to have those. I do a lot of like planning and stuff on the go. So it's nice to have something small that I can throw into my bag, and this will give me a little bit of variety. This is perfect. Oh, I'm very thankful to have that. This is a fun, exciting little package. Okay, so there are some vellum doilies. That is a great layering piece. I love vellum, I love doilies, I love texture. So I will get good use out of those. Oh, nice. Oh my goodness. Some little 3x4 cards. Ooh, so these are the backs, and I'll show you. Oh gosh, they're really pretty on this side. I actually think I like this side even better than the side I'm showing you. That's the same. Look at that. Those are really nice. Wow, that's great. Yeah, those are really pretty 3x4s, nice layering pieces. There's a stamp set. This is what it looks like. Let's put a lot of white back in. So let's see what it says here. Life is cool, shake it off, just enjoy, smile every day, high five, the best, yay. Start somewhere, love this, shine on. Oh, beautiful. Look at that, beautiful. And then some hearts, smiley faces, arrows. That's really nice. It's funny because I don't do a lot of stamping, but the one set of stamps that I am drawn to the most are these kinds of stamps with words. Although I have to say, ever since I got my last parcel for the Secret Cupid swap from Edna, I've been scouring the internet for the little Beloved Society Illustrated Faith stamps that have little like people or dolls that you can stamp on their outfits, their hair, their different aspects to them. But anyways, I think they're sold out everywhere, the original ones anyways. I thought those would be really neat. So I definitely am getting more back into stamping. Wow, this is really, wow, there's so much stuff in here. So this is a notebook. Fantastic, can always use another notebook. This could be like a signature for a current planner type system that I already have, or it could stand on its own. So that's really nice. There's a parakeet party, little stamp block, and then an entire, wow, instructions. Love this memory notebook kit. And the interesting thing that I have been doing lately is I have been scrapbooking small. I've been doing little scrapbook memory keeping as opposed to the great big 12x12. I've really gotten away from the 12x12 albums that I used to do all the time. So this has what you can never get enough of, adhesive, this beautiful like thin lined tape that's double-sided, and I guess that's a silver washi there. I could use another stamp block, so that's fantastic. And then there's all sorts of little components here that would help you decorate your little traveler's notebook. So some 4x6 cards, some really, what's the word, iridescent stickers. Like, look at how those pick up the rainbow. Amazing. And then these are so cute and colorful. She said I could always pass some of these things along to my daughters if I didn't have use for it myself. I'll have a hard time having them not steal it on me because my youngest one, this is her colors for sure, and she's much like I am. She's a very big paperaholic, stickeraholic. She's so creative and she just loves to draw. She makes cartoon books. She's so cute. I think she's actually getting more use out of my new craft room than I am. So these are interesting. They are, I think they're stickers. Yes, they're stickers that you can design yourself. So it's probably pretty hard to see. That might catch the shapes. Let's see. Basically, you design your own stickers, and there are 2 of those. Another one of the notebooks, like I showed you already. Some kraft stickers on a black background that have alphabets and arrows and numbers. That's useful. And then everything that's included in the kit. Love this memory notebook. Love this. So that's what the name of this one must be. And then there's instruction book that walks you through exactly how to use all of the supplies. Oh, that's cute. And they show you here, you know, take one of the stickers out and then use the stamp to stamp around the sticker. Washi tape, all of the different cards, the little pocket. That is really amazing. So I used to buy from Stampin' Up quite a bit. I think when I first got into paper crafting, I've been paper crafting forever, but when I first got into like purchasing products, I think Stampin' Up was among the first company that I would buy from. We didn't really have a lot of scrapbook stores in our community, and time has evolved over the years. There have been so many more products and companies, lots of changes in the industry, as we've seen recently, changes not for the better. We have a close to my heart that has just decided to close up shop after 30 years, which is heartbreaking, especially for those who have been dedicated to their products and have built their businesses around their products for so many years. I have some friends that sell through Stampin' Up, close to my heart, and Creative Memories. And it really is a big part of your life to devote to a company, and you build a community of friends, and now those people are going to be left with the challenge of having to sort of redefine and recreate their way of paper crafting, and you know how they can keep together that community that they have already previously established. So it will be interesting to see how that develops. You know, a lot of times when you're forced to change, it's not something that you would choose, but in the end you end up better for it. So we'll see. Maybe the friends that I have will discover new avenues, new ways of doing things that are even better than before. Anyways, I am so grateful for this, Janice. I will go ahead and film what I'm sending to you, and then once you've got that, it will be uploaded on my channel, and I'll share it with everybody else. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel and you're interested in paper crafting, FabFitFun, and my gray hair journey, that seems to be what the majority of my videos are about, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.